One of the questions that I keep getting is organic a fact or fiction? Or is it a fad? Is it a fashion? Or is it here to stay? If you look at the word organic, it means something that has got to do with life, living and nature. In Tamil it is called Iyarkai, which means nature. In Malayalam it's called Jaiva, which means life. In Hindi it's called Jaivik, which again means life. So organic food, which comes out of organic farming, is about life and living. And what is the opposite of this? Opposite of life and living is death and disease. So in farming, what is it that leads to death and disease? It's chemicals. Chemicals in the form of insecticide, pesticide, weedicide, herbicide, fungicide and such. And all these sides, what do they mean? Like suicide, it means death. Death and disease for almost everyone, every being, from the smallest of microorganisms in the soil, air and water, to insects, plants and even animals, birds as well. The farmers and their families also face disease. We as consumers who eat that chemically laden food face disease. And today, sadly, most of what we eat is laden with chemicals. Why are they using these chemicals? For various purposes. It could be to give the food a very attractive color, in the case of fruits and vegetables. It may be to give them a bigger size or to have a longer shelf life when it comes to rice, dal and atta and stuff. And most of the chemicals are used to avoid infestation. And sometimes it is used in the form of fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, to give you much bigger yield per acre of farmland. And don't forget, all those packaged foods that we eat, which we love to eat, the biscuits and the cakes and the breads and noodles and stuff, cookies and chips are all laden with chemical additives. In fancy names though, but they are all chemicals. So organic food refers to those items which have not been exposed to any chemical whatsoever, right from the starting of sowing, to preparing the land, to growing, to fertilizing, to harvesting, to storage and to transport when it finally reaches you. So we here at BioBasics tell everyone to ask yourself this one important question. Do I want chemicals on my plate? Day in and day out. Do you want to feed our children, our grandchildren, chemicals day in and day out? They don't even know about it. Do you? Do you really want to feed ourselves that? 15 years ago, I asked myself that question and we decided to go organic. Say no to chemicals. Say yes to life and living. Say no to death and disease. And today we've been organic for about 15 years. Our son's family has gone organic. Our extended family is also going organic. The good news today is that it's possible for all of us in India to go organic. And we must salute all those farmers, organic farmers, and all those organizations who've worked all these years, decades, even before organic was popular, today, to make it possible that we can have organic food in India. And if you didn't know, we had the largest organic farmers community in the world. So I request you to go organic. Go organic with BioBasics or even with someone else, if not BioBasics. But organic is not a fad, people. It is here to stay. Let's get used to it. Come, join the club and be organic by organic.